Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Dong ki khubor bam te kasngi. Ka kinhon yele kai ka jingya khunti ke India arm wrestling kala job hadu khat santli ki medal ha ka jingile kai world arm wrestling championship kabla long hari Moldova. Nagite ki khat santli ki jingyo medal ki nongile kai India khandai tli kle shikinongile kai ka jilla Meghalaya mar kalong ka buram ka bakraw ya ki pait ba. Nagaliang ka kinhun Meghalaya Arms Wrestling Association kalapan ko burami ki samla ka jila ki bajab ika world champion ya kabala pelong ha KGP hall kabadan ha IGP men ha kan rutrik unai lor. Hagate ka jingpun ko buram ya ka jingya khunkti umentri rangba ka jila ulong ukong san ban pun ko buram ha ka jingdan lang ushakler warjri mentri katna dile kai ka sarkar jila. Nalor kita ila dan lang Director of Sports, President but Secretary ka MSOA, Sports Secretary ka KSU Central Body, Vice President FKJGP but ki bahaying hasem jung ki player. Kinong yele kai bla shap ko buram kilong ka Senebi Singli bayo medal tagma nagalyang ki kanthe basan san kilo. Ka samlami snow bharam by silver medal bah prapho kilo, Grandmaster ka Sterina Jasan, silver medalist but bronze medal 100 kilo Grandmaster. U Hubert Palier bronze medal. 100 kilo ka kong Margaret Pathau kala job ka bronze medal but silver medal ka 100 kilo nagi kanthe. Usamla Donbor Rumnong ula job ka Master Asia Pacific Senior Gold Medalist napdeng kishin rang baro bawandur bhagamen kaphan ne physic 8000 arpsaw. Barkasin baningkong ka kinhun athlete na Meghalaya banyo Shimbanta hari Philippines Manila City. Usamla Johnny Nongrum unong job eka middleweight 6 bidang fighting championship. Nagaliang Conrad Sangma ba ay jingtran shikinong ile kai banakaliang jong unay jingiram nyolak sanpo tingka na Chief Minister Development Fund. Siya kaseng MAWA but ulakular ban kershan kat bala eka jingdan kam jong kinong ile kai ha kajilla.
Ya kapangalak kendo ya Presiden juga Arm Wrestling Association bajun akabang ya kendo banyak keren para swab bakin leg sepo Moldova ilayo ya pemilih kendo ban nadam pada statement nak lapor ngala omi bajun ban kalian ke government ngin ai ke sindiram nak kapta association na magnidan ya jingmet ke baskem baling barat ke sindiram dia ke bakin yo bakin leg bakin represent yang state ke jumi bakin dikman nak tak jelas jumi baru ke juga por nidan ne ke increment bakin job di medalist kumta kan mengadap ke increment ba kalong ke urlong sisa kata kan sing alur ke jumi ban beli ya ke pangakren ni kani ba nakalian ke jumi ke sokar nakalian ke jumi.
I would request all the athletes to please come to the stage. She won the silver medal and a bronze medal kg category. Silver medal and bronze medal in a grandmaster category that is above 50 years old.
Office bearers and members of MAWA and all the other guests come to me and they said, sir, we don't get any funds to organize any tournaments. And I think that meeting we had was the starting point of so many things that we've been able to do in the last many years. Yes, it's a long process to be able to finally say win medals and compete at the national level or even win international competitions. But it's a journey that started 6 years back, and I'm happy to see that we are really moving in a very, very positive way. And I think today's sports, this felicitation program is a testament to that belief and to that journey and that process that we're in. I was sharing with my friends, some of them were telling me, some colleagues were mentioning that so we have a cabinet meeting. Our athletes, our sports persons, and the different individuals who participated were able to be part of this World Championship. Because we all know that it's not easy. It's very tough. You have to have the real passion inside you and the belief inside you and the real desire to make this happen and push it, to face the challenges that you have all faced, to come to this level of winning medals and defeating champions at the world stage, at a global stage. And as was being mentioned by our pastor who was here, who was earlier mentioned, talking about it, that whoever expected that our, talent and our sports persons would be able to defeat the best in the world. And that's the kind of talent that we have shown, the kind of commitment that you have shown, not just, as I said, the sports persons and the participants, but the entire organizing committee that has ensured, the association that has ensured that you have participated at this level. So my congratulations to the winners, congratulations to the participants. All of you are winners in my eyes. You may not have won the medal, but the fact that you participated, faced the challenges, and competed at the world stage, I think speaks a lot about the character inside you and the determination that you had to compete at the top level. I congratulate, as I said, the organizing committee and the association. Financially, you had challenges, whether to organize this, whether to have the programs, whether to participate at international level. It's not easy to do these kind of things. But it's your determination that has made this possible. I'm happy that from the Chief Minister's special grant, we were able to support you with about 7.5 lakhs. I know it's not enough, but whatever support we could give. As you all know that I support hundreds of associations and organizations like these, and therefore it's not possible for me to always give the entire amount. But wherever possible, we support, and I'm happy to see that whatever small support we gave, it has at least helped in really supporting you to be part of this tournament.